Hello, so this is my bike check. This is the 24/7 Substance 26-inch bike. Everything is pretty much stock. So let's go over the specs. So the frame is 24/7 Substance. It's got a 21-inch, I think it's 21 or 21.5-inch top tube. Very short chain stays, and it comes in white. I think it also came in black, but I think the white one was the only available option at that time. I'm pretty sure 24/7 don't sell this stuff anymore. I think the company is I don't know, it's gone now, so I don't know what's up with that. Alright, let's go to the forks. We have the Marizocchi dirt jumper. It's coil forks, adjustable tension at the top right here. You can increase the tension plus minus there. I have it pretty stiff, but even at that it's still kind of spongy. Wheels, I have generic 24/7 rims, front and back. I have tires are Maxxis Holy Rollers. The hubs are 24/7, just generic hubs. The disc brakes on the front and back are Pro Max. They are mechanical one-sided. These are mechanical one-sided. The rear disc brake is Pro Max. BMX cranks 24/7. Pedals are 24/7 as well. For the gearing, it's 9-speed cassette hub. It goes 11 to 32, and that is an SRAM set up right there. It has chain tensioners because it has horizontal dropouts. Anything else? The seat is 24/7. It is slammed down. Anything else? Okay, let's go to the stem. It's 24/7. It's quite a short stem. 24/7 bars with this extra riser here. SRAM shifter. X5. These I think are Tektro brake levers. They're okay. They're not the best, but they do the job. The grips I have are the ODI Steve Murray signature grips. They're really good, really sticky. Get good grip out of that. No slippage. And that is 24/7 Substance 26.